sorry to disturb you, Mr. Thomas. Thank you so much. Don't look now, Tom, but a mouse just went by. That's right. Enjoy yourself. It's later than you think. Uh-oh. I hope that's the mailman. Oh, thank you. I've been waiting for this. And now there's going to be some changes made. Mechano, the cat of tomorrow. No feeding, no fussing, and no fur. Clean, efficient, dependable. Thomas? Oh, Thomas, come in here and see what I've got. Thomas, meet Mechano. Mr. Mechano here is taking your job as mouse catcher. Thomas, am I glad to see you. Boy, they can have their newfangled mechanos. All I want is a plain old-fashioned cat.